Hi, my name is Rich McKinney, and today I'd like to introduce the Akelux Stone Repair Kit by Akemi. This system is the best on the market today for repairing dents and cracks. It's got a wide variety of colors and patterns that you can use with marble and granite. This special system has got everything you need. The key to the whole system is the same light that your dentists use. It's an acrylic activator. Sorry about that. But it gives you a perfect repair every time.
With this repair kit, Akelux, we can repair in following way. We have to use a Dremel in case of scratches, because otherwise we have not enough place to fill our glue in the scratch. We need a minimum deep from 0.5 millimeter or more to have enough place to fill our glue. After doing this, we have to clean this area proper with the Akelux cleaner. Add some Akelux cleaner in this damaged area and clean it very proper with a clean towel. We apply the primer pen. The primer pen is for a good addition between stone and glue. Let it dry for approximately 1 minute, and then we can start to fill the damaged area with the Akelux glue. In the most cases, for surface repair, it's enough to use transparent glue. After 1 minute, we can start to fill this transparent glue in the damaged area with this dental nozzle. That's a high-tech glue coming from the dental technology. With this dental nozzle, so to be sure that the glue is in the teeth. Then we have to take one of these Akelux plastics, bring them on the top and let it easily down so air bubbles can go out. The next is use the LED light emitter. That's special UV light. That's a protective cap for your eyes. Fix this plastic with one finger and start hardening. Press the button for 2 seconds and then the LED light emitter will work for 1 minute. 1 minute is enough to harden layers for 4 or 5 millimeters thick. If the glue is hardened, goes to use this planer, press here and start in the middle of the damaged area to remove the excess of material from the surface. Now we can start with polishing. We have to use this polishing and grinding block. Different types of sandpapers, 2400. Some water. And now we start to polish the damaged area. $3,200. And 4,000. Try again. In case of black materials, sometimes the black material can have some small pores, pinholes. Our polishing paste is white. This polishing paste can penetrate in the pores. That's why in the kit for black materials we have an acrylic marker pen. So we can use this acrylic marker pen to add it in the pores before we use the polishing paste. Depending how polished the surface is, we have to polish more or less. This polishing paste doesn't contain silicones, waxes, or something like this. So this paste is polishing only our glue. Then we can stop and check if our result is good enough. Otherwise we have to continue with the polishing. That's the result after.
If you'd like more information, give us a call at Regent Products. My direct line is 866-233-4880. Thank you.